How to access outer class from an inner class? I have a situation like so. How can I access the outer classes method from the inner class?
You're trying to access outer's class instance from inner class instance. So just use factory method to build inner instance and pass outer instance to it.
The methods of a nested class cannot directly access the instance attributes of the outer class. Note that it is not necessarily the case that an instance of the outer class exists even when you have created an instance of the inner class. In fact, it is often recommended against using nested classes, since the nesting does not imply any particular relationship between the inner and outer classes.
Maybe I'm mad, but this seems very easy indeed. The thing is to make your inner class inside a method of the outer class. Plus, self is only used by convention, so you could do this. It might be objected that you can't then create this inner class from outside the outer class. But this ain't true. Then, somewhere miles away, even push the boat out a bit and extend this inner class, and to get super to work you have to change the class signature of mobile to class mobile object. Later. MRH 1997 raised an interesting point about the non-common inheritance of inner classes delivered using this technique. But it seems that the solution is pretty straightforward.
I found this. Tweak to suit your question. I'm sure you can somehow write a decorator for this or something. Related, what is the purpose of Python's inner classes?
A few years late to the party. But to expand on it, Mike Roden's wonderful answer, I've provided my own example below that shows just how flexible his solution is, and why it should be, or should have been, the accepted answer. Python 3.7. Output. Again, a wonderful answer. Props to you, Mike.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.